The Zoom H6 is like a Swiss Army knife of audio recorders. You can use its own mics that can be swapped out, or you can also use your own XLR microphones or line input devices, and you can record each track individually at the same time. You can also do onboard compression and mixing all within the Zoom H6 itself, or you can connect it to your computer and you can use it as an audio interface. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Zoom H6, plus I'll do a little bit of a review and some audio tests later on in the video. I'm Zane from audiotech.tv.com, and on this channel, I do weekly audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you conquer the tech and unleash your creativity. Now, if you want some more information and the latest pricing on the Zoom H6, I've included a link in the description so you can easily click that and check it out. But right now, let's open up this box and see what's inside. It's actually packaged quite nice. You got your manual here. And the hard case with everything in it. So let's check out what's in the hard case. And the fact that it comes with a hard case is actually a really nice touch. So you have your recorder right there. This is the foam windscreen, USB cable. You got batteries with it, and your two microphones. This is the XY microphone. This is the mid-side microphone. And one thing to note is you don't get an SD card with the Zoom H6, so be sure to grab one when you purchase the recorder. It will accept cards up to 128 gigabytes, and these are the full-sized SD cards, not the micro ones. I'll include a link to the one that I use, as it works great with it. Now I'll quickly go over some of the features. On the unit itself, you have the 4 XLR/TRS inputs here, so you can connect a variety of microphones and other pieces of gear to it. And each of these 4 inputs has its own control knob here. So you can control the gain on each one individually, and you have pad switches for each input. And the pad is -20 decibels when it's turned on. In addition to recording these 4 inputs, you can also attach one of the microphones and record that at the same time. So you can record 6 inputs at the same time. These buttons on the front here arm each track for recording. So if you want 1, you would press 1, 2, and you can press them all if you want. There is an optional XLR attachment that you can put on the top here, and it adds 2 more XLR/TRS inputs. So you can have up to 6 microphones connected at the same time, or a combination of microphones and line input devices. The audio recording quality can go up to 24 bits at 96 kilohertz. It does have some onboard compressor and limiter effects, plus a low cut filter. You get this decently sized color screen on the front, and it's on an angle so you can see it easily when it's sitting on a desk or on a mount. You can also use this as an audio interface if you connect it to your computer. And if you just plug it in without installing any of the drivers, it can be used as a 2 input and 2 output audio interface. But if you install the drivers for it, you can use the Zoom H6 as a 6 input, 2 output audio interface, allowing you to record 6 inputs into your DAW or digital audio workstation at the same time. If you're a podcaster, this is an incredible tool for you, as it can adapt to so many different situations. Also, it comes with a license for Steinberg Wavelab LE, which allows you to record and edit your podcast or music with ease. You also get a copy of Steinberg Cubase LE, which is great for multi-track recording. So that's pretty much it for the basic features of the Zoom H6. Now let's do some audio tests. And just so you know, I do have another video coming out soon that has over 20 tips and tricks for using the Zoom H6. So be sure to watch for that. And depending on when you're watching this video, it could already be out. I'll be sure to link to it in the description, and there'll probably be a card up on the screen if it's already out. Alright, so I first want to do an audio test of the included XY mic, and as you can see, I'm talking into it right now, and I have the included foam windscreen on the mic, and the audio has not been edited at all. So this is a test of the Zoom XY-H6 microphone that's included with the Zoom H6. The audio has not been edited. Now I'll do an audio test of an acoustic guitar being recorded with the Zoom H6, and again, the audio will not be edited. Alright, so now I'm doing an audio test of my voice using the mid-side mic that comes with the Zoom H6. And I have the mid-side stuff turned off, so it's just recording in mono right now. And this is what it sounds like with raw audio being recorded into the mid-side mic. I haven't edited this audio at all. You're hearing it exactly how it's recorded. Now I'm going to record my guitar using the mid-side mic. And again, it's not edited at all. Alright, so now I'm going to do an audio test of the preamps that are built into the Zoom H6, and I'm using a mic that requires quite a bit of gain. This is the Shure SM57. It uses a lot of gain, and normally I use a Triton Fed head with it so I can reduce the gain, but right now I have it connected direct to the Zoom H6, and what you're hearing is the raw audio. And I have the gain level set to 7 on the H6 right now, and this is what you're hearing. This is the raw audio. It hasn't been edited at all. And one thing to note is if you want to plug an electric guitar into the Zoom H6, it doesn't include a high Z input, but you can still get a decent level with plugging an electric guitar into it. I just recommend using a DI so you get the best possible level. If you want to see my 20+ tips and tricks for using the Zoom H6, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.